Welcome to Serena City Gallery. This is the best place to plan your future. As your safety are the most priority, we would like to share with you a brief presentation on our safety procedure in the event of emergency. As the safety procedure of this building may differ from others, we hope that you will pay close attention of this video. Serena City Gallery have a 2-floor with an unique design. In any case of emergency, the alarm will trigger. Please do not panic and remain calm. Stop whatever works you are doing immediately. Leave the building by using the nearest emergency exit. Please walk and do not run. Please avoid carrying bulky items that may obstruct smooth flow of evacuation. Our floor warden will assist you to the nearest emergency exit. Please proceed to the ground floor and do not stop. Please assemble at the designated assembly area. It located at the main office parking lot. Please stay at the assembly area for roll call by ERT personnel. If suspected that someone is still in the building, please inform the ERT personnel immediately. Remember, do not re-enter to the building unless authorized by Chief Emergency Response Team. On behalf of everyone at Serena City Gallery, we would like to say thank you for your attention. Until we meet again, have a nice day.